time deposit interest ng Maya account natin this January. Dinivide ko yung money ko into 3 months and 6 months. The reason why is just in case kailanganin ko ng pera, makakapag-pull ako after 3 months. So, dito sa 3 months, ang base rate niya is 3.5, your booster rate is 1.5. So, total interest natin dyan is 5%. While for 6 months, mas maganda to dahil base rate mo, same lang, 3.5, pero yung booster rate mo is 2.5%. So, total of 6%. And ngayon, yung aking time deposit is at second month na. So, yung first month, tag 50k sila. And then, ito yung naging tubo nila after a month. So, ito, 164.38. Yun namang 6%. Mas mataas siya. So, 203.83. So, yung computation, kung paano mo makukuha kung ano ba yung expected mo na interest, ay ganito siya. So, in the case of 3 months, dahil 5% lang tayo, yung amount, so ito na yung current amount, not yung starting amount mo. Dahil compounding interest yan. So, yung amount mo, times 0.05 for the 5%. And then si January kasi is 31 days. So 31 divided by 365 days for a year times 0.8 lang. Bakit 0.8? Kasi tinanggal na natin yung 20% na tax. So may tax yung mga interest natin. So ito ay 170.42. Yan yung expected ko. So ang ginagawa ko, kinocompute ko muna yan. Baka malamangan ako eh. Tapos, doon naman sa 6 months, so same computation lang, papalitan mo lang yung interest niya. So, 204.67. So, silipin natin yung actual galing sa app natin ng Maya. This is my interest for the 5% or yung 3 months natin. So, 4 days ago, dyan pumasok yung aking boosted interest at yung base interest. Kapag tinotal mo yung 119.30 tsaka yung 51.13, ang magiging sum niyan ay close enough dun sa 170.42 natin. Tapos, for the other one naman, yung 6% natin, 119.39 yung base interest niya and the boosted interest is 85.28. So, pag pinag-add mo yan, it's 204.67. So, sakto lang sa na-compute natin. At dyan na nagtatapos ang ating interest nila. Happy savings, Cashies!